Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll be explaining how to add admins to your SiteCliq e-commerce store account and guide you through managing their access securely. Adding admins allows you to manage your team more efficiently by giving trusted members access to help run your store operations. Let's get started. On the sidebar, click on the Admin Role Manage dropdown. This is the section where I'll show you how to manage all the admin-related settings within your account. Next, click on Add New Admin. This is where you can invite a new administrator, enter their details, and assign their specific roles and permissions. Start by filling in the employee's name first. Next, enter the admin's username. This is the exact username they will use to log into your store, so make sure it's accurate or they won't be able to access the store. Moving on, you'll want to enter the admin's phone number. This links their account to a valid contact, which is essential for communication and security verification. After that, go ahead and enter the admin's email address. This ensures they'll receive all the important notifications and account-related updates for your store. Now, you'll need to set up a secure password for this new admin account. Make sure it's strong to keep your store's backend safe. Right below that, go ahead and re-enter the password to confirm it. This makes sure there aren't any typos, saving you from login issues later on. From here, click on the Select Role field to choose a role for this admin. This is key because it determines exactly what they can see and do within your store's system. Before saving, click the Select Image button to add a profile picture. It's a great way to easily see who is who on your admin list. Once you've chosen a photo, click Select Image to confirm it. You'll then be taken right back to the Add New User section. Finally, click Add New User to save the account and all of its settings. This will bring you to the main page where you can see your updated list of admins. Right after, you'll see a new admin added message pop up, confirming that the account was created successfully. And there you have it. You can now see the new admin right here on the list. And you're all set. You've just learned how to add admins to your SiteCliq e-commerce store account with ease. If you want to learn how to manage all admin roles in your store, be sure to check out our other video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.